Wild Wild Taco. How to play. The object of the game is to be the first player to get rid of all of your cards, then correctly slap the pile first. Shuffle the deck and deal out all the cards face down. Players don't look at their cards, but instead keep them in a face down deck in front of them. The youngest player goes first, then play proceeds clockwise. On your turn, flip the top card of your deck face up, out away from you, so you cannot see the card before others, to a center discard pile. On each flip, players must correctly say the next word in this sequence: wild, wild, taco, repeating it until one of the following happens. When a taco card is flipped, everyone races to slap the pile. The last player to slap must take all the cards in the pile and add them to the bottom of their deck. Then, they lead the first card in the next round. When two special cards are flipped in a row, so they match, then all the players must race to perform its associated action, then slap the pile. The actions are: gorilla, strum an air guitar; narwhal, make a horn above your head; groundhog, drum on the table; seal, clap twice; disco chicken, do a disco dance. If a player performs the wrong action before slapping the pile, they can correct it, then still slap the pile. Otherwise, their slap does not count until they perform the correct action. The last player to perform the correct action, then slap the pile, must take all the cards in the pile and add them to the bottom of their deck. If a player slaps the pile at an incorrect time, or looks at a card before playing it, or flips a card in the incorrect way, they must take the pile. Furthermore, gameplay must move at a constant, even pace. If you break that pace, say the wrong word, or play out of turn, then you take the pile. When you run out of cards, you must continue playing by saying the next word in sequence without flipping a card, but to win, you must be the first player to correctly slap the pile when you have no cards in your hand.